Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and of course share this video. Mpumelelo and his second baby mama and second girlfriend Tirelo went and did an Instagram live together yesterday, and they were asked about the meaning or the logic behind their newborn baby's name, SingaBakho, and this is them explaining what it means. You guys, please check out the video, engage with me in the comment, also like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet done so.
What does it mean?
Ukuthi thina sabayo lengane yona ephethe thina. Angithi igama lithi SingaBakho.
Yeah.
SingaBakho. Sonke.
Bona nje. Ayibo manje mina ngingena indawo.
Kanjani uchaza ukuthini wena?
USingaBakho uthi nichaza futhi.
SingaBakho ukuthi sonke SingaBakho. Mphathi wethu, mphathi isizwe.
We angithi nithi hayi lutho uphathi isizwe ngeke.
Mphathi isizwe Mpumelelo.
So ke sibone. Uyaphi?